Let me give you a simple withdrawal example. Here is the Binance coin BNB and I will transfer the money into my Crypto.com app account here in the crypto. If I click here, I don't have BNB at the moment. So you will see the process. You click here send and then you choose the coin. Notice also one thing here that sometimes when they do wallet updates or something, they may change this wording. So at the moment send means withdraw, receive means deposit, but they may change a specific word even though the function would stay the same. Then I click here Binance coin and here we can choose the network. Notice here that I have Binance coin in BNB smart chain, not in Ethereum network. But if you would want to send currencies in Ethereum network, then you would need to have ETH for those gas fees. I will choose here BNB Smart Chain and you can see here Crypto.com app connected. So I click that one and it automatically fills out the address here. So I don't need to copy paste or go back and forth between these apps because I have already connected. Then I simply click here next. I can choose the amount. I click here max amount. I click here send. And you can see here the estimated network fee is 0.00001 BNB. Estimated time is only 30 seconds. I click here confirm to send. I verify my fingerprint. It says pending. You can click here on the bottom to view details. We will come back when the withdrawal has gone through.
A few moments later.
You can see here that even though the wallet still says pending, the withdrawal has indeed come through. Because when I open the Crypto.com app, you can see here the money has already been deposited. And we can also verify it by clicking this X button on the OnChain Wallet. Then you can see I have around 0 Binance coin left, and here you can see also the proof 0 left because it has been transferred into my Crypto.com app. And now I can use it here on the Crypto.com app, for example, to trade it by clicking here sell. Let me trade it into Bitcoin by choosing BNB Max. I click here sell BNB. I click here confirm. I verify the fingerprint. And you can see I have successfully sold my BNB to get more BTC.